Welcome back, it's Jerry with Sky Management, and the next thing I had to do in my basement project was to save a little bit more money, was the line item charge for removing and reinstalling baseboards. Now, the charge wasn't that much for our basement, it was about $150, but for me, because these baseboards have been down here about 20 years, they have a lot of nicks and boogered up spots on them, and I wanted to take them off so I can kind of refinish them, and then we'll tack them back on ourselves and save $150. So, hey puppy, here's what we're going to do. We're going to either use a screwdriver or a flat spatula to get yourself started, and you're just simply going to insert this, make sure you can get it back along the edge, and using a screwdriver, just pry it off the wall. Don't worry about damaging down below this, you only want to worry about damaging up above the board. And you'll see there's several nails that are in here. And once you get these removed, I'll show you how to get these out. By pulling these out of the back like that, a lot of times, not always, but a lot of times, it'll end up leaving the fill from the previous ones there, which is easy for you to then go ahead and refinish the top of this and shoot some new nails in. If you use the method of driving the nails back from this side, you will knock that out, and then you'll have to end up filling these holes again. You might get a few little pesky ones that decide to stay in the wall because they ended up hitting that wood underneath this. In which case you can just simply take your channel locks again, and grab it a hold of the wall, and feel free to rock it and pull it out of the wall like that. Don't worry about putting a dent in the sheetrock or damaging this, because you're going to end up putting a new board or the existing board, when it's refinished, end up putting that back over this. Now in our particular case, because we're removing the carpet and the tack strip and going to be putting some thicker material down here, this when we refinish these baseboards will actually sit higher than where the existing ones did, so it's going to work out real well. It's also a fantastic idea to number every single one of these that come off the wall in order, clockwise or counterclockwise, from the beginning of the room or project that you're in, and also place another indicating number on the wall somewhere that shows that that is in fact where that one goes. It seems like an easy enough thing, but once you get several dozen of these pieces, they start all looking the same, so that helps them go back where they belong. Now that we've got all these off there, it's really easy for me to go back over the top of these with a 2-in-1, like a polyurethane and stain, and just give it a once over to really pretty the whole thing up. And if there are any bad marks, I can easily take those or sand those down and redo them, and then we're ready to put them back on. I saved $150, and I consider that a win.